Hello, little explorers!
Do you know what a habitat is?
No! What's that? What's that?
A habitat is a home where animals and plants live, just like you live in your house.
Animals and plants have their own special homes too. Welcome to the jungle. It's full of tall trees, colorful birds, and wild animals.
Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. I love climbing trees all day long.
And I love to hide in the tall grass before I go hunting.
The jungle is warm, wet, and full of life. That's why animals like monkeys, parrots, and tigers live here.
Now we're in the desert. It's very, very hot, and there's not much water. I can walk for days without drinking water. My humps store fat to keep me strong. That's amazing! Plants like cactus also live here. They store water inside their thick stems. And to protect themselves from the heat, some desert animals, like fennec foxes, are active at night when it's cooler. Brrr! It's so cold here. This is the polar region, covered in ice and snow. Waddle, waddle. I stay warm with my thick feathers.
And I have warm fur and fat to keep me cozy in the cold.
Cool! Animals here are built to stay warm in freezing weather. Let's dive underwater. The ocean is home to fish, whales, dolphins, and even coral reefs.
I breathe through my gills and swim all day long.
Beautiful! Oceans are full of colorful creatures and plants.
So, friends, we learned about many habitats today. Let's remember them together.
Jungle, desert, polar too. Ocean deep and full of blue. Every place, big or small, is a home for one and all.
Every animal and plant has a home that helps it live and grow. Every place, big or small, is a home for one and all. Oh, little explorers! See you next time on Nature Adventures!